Nice security. Handle that.
First Alert Center, I'm Rob Krieger. Baton Rouge rapper Lil Boosie is expected in court today after police say he assaulted a security guard at a nightclub in Houston. Now, according to reports, Boosie, whose real name is Torrance Hatch, is accused of hitting the security guard in the head with a glass hookah. Investigators say it happened when the security guard refused to allow one of Boosie's female friends to use the restroom as the club was closing at 2 a.m. The report says as the woman was escorted out of the club, she dropped her belongings, and when the guard tried to pick him up, he was hit from behind with a hookah. The guard told police he saw Boosie holding the broken hookah, and records show the guard needed 8 staples.
Well, cause was read by the cause state. They alleged that Mr. Hatch hit someone in the head with a hookah bottle, a security guard at this club dome.
And what's the charge?
Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. He's doing good, so we plan to vigorously defend him and investigate the case and see where we are. We believe he was defending another person, and so we want to be able to show the state that and hopefully get this case dismissed. So today the judge set an $85,000 bond and allowed Mr. Hatch to do a walkthrough bond, which allows for him to go with a bail bonding company and make the bond. The bond conditions are to stay away from the place where this situation occurred, as well as to not have any contact with the complaining witness in the case. And we have a new court date of September 15th. I just would ask everyone to reserve judgment and let this case play out in the court.
Hey, to all my family and fans, man, I'm okay, bro. I'm all right. It's basically a money grab, man. It's a money grab, but it's what you go through as an entertainer. The facts of the case have come out. I mean, we in court now. This a money grab, man. This guy wasn't even supposed to be a security in the first place, man. This nigga done 17, 18 years for aggravated armed robbery with a deadly weapon. He just got caught at the border a couple years back, smuggling women out the country and in the country. Just got off federal paper. So, man, it's rap, bro. You know, when I first found out about the warrant a couple days ago, I contacted my PO. I let him know what was going on. I'm all right, though, man. It's just life. Life be lifing, bro. Life be lifing, man, bro. You know, God got me, bro. So I'm all right, man. To all my fans, all my family, I'm all right.
What's up, everybody? Hope y'all are doing well. But man, this right here is a serious situation for Boosie. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in Texas? Listen, that's not something light anywhere, but in Texas, it can get real heavy real fast. And I always tell people, especially in Texas, that those charges can swing wide depending on how they decide to hit you. Now, not involving a firearm, not being a gun or pistol case, that can help a little when it comes to severity. But hold up, they can still label all kinds of objects as deadly weapons and upgrade the charge quickly. So yeah, this situation got layers on top of layers. But the biggest issue for Boosie right now is the fact that he's already on federal probation. That's where things turn serious real quick. Now, he did say he spoke to his probation officer, and technically he's innocent until proven guilty in court. And let's be real, we haven't seen clear proof yet. That video y'all saw earlier, it was floating around online. I actually saw it on that Foreign Magazine Instagram page too. And from what they're claiming, that's supposed to be the incident. But I'm looking at it like I didn't clearly see Boosie throw anything at anybody. He's saying it's a money grab, and honestly, I could see why he'd feel that way. So for now, I'm taking his side cautiously because the footage ain't definitive. It looks like he's off to the side when the first bottle flies. Then you see another object come in and it looks like someone else threw that one. So now it's like, what really happened here? But at the same time, they're claiming Boosie had the bottle in his hand, and just having it doesn't automatically mean he used it like that. Still, let's be real, a bottle can absolutely be considered a weapon, and this might be one of those cases of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. Now, according to the official report, Louisiana rapper Boosie Badass, whose real name is Torrance Ivy Hatch Jr., is currently facing aggravated assault charge in Harris County, tied to an incident from last month. Court records show that on May 25th, Boosie was arrested and charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Prosecutors are alleging that he intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly caused bodily injury to a security guard by striking him in the head with a glass hookah and using it as a deadly weapon. Court filings say the alleged victim was a security guard working at Privilege nightclub off Main Street when a woman approached trying to use the restroom. The guard told investigators he escorted her toward the exit because the place was closed, and she got upset and started arguing with him. Documents add that he tried to calm things down, but in the middle of it, she dropped her phone and keys while he was helping her pick everything up. Hold up. A man later identified as Boosie allegedly came up from behind with a hookah base and struck the guard in the head. Investigators say the guard suffered a head injury and was taken to a hospital for treatment. Another security guard told investigators he saw the confrontation, heard glass shatter, and then saw the first guard bleeding from his head. That witness claims he saw Boosie holding a shattered glass hookah base while yelling at the injured guard. Court records say both the complaint and the witness identified him by his stage name Boosie Bad AAZ and noted he was hosting at the club that night. Records also show Boosie appeared in court Monday morning and his bond was set at $85,000. Man, this is a heavy situation for Boosie. You've got two separate people saying they witnessed what went down. And listen, you'd expect camera footage to clear things up, but there's a chance they don't even have the right angle. So now it starts to feel like his word versus theirs. And with him already on federal probation, that makes things even more complicated. I also heard Boosie suggesting this could be a money grab. He's basically saying the guy might not even be real security, just someone there doing a job at the moment. But here's the reality. Once an object like that is used as a weapon, it can turn into an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon case. That's how the law frames it, not my rules. He is innocent until proven guilty, and right now we haven't seen all the evidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.